Struggling to keep up with inventory planning in Acumatica? If you're running a manufacturing or distribution company, we have the solution. Meet MRP and DRP Requisitions, your automated workflow tool for vendor bidding in Acumatica Cloud ERP. When you're planning for inventory, this tool helps by making your requisitions workflow more efficient. Let me show you how it works. We'll start in the inventory planning workspace. Click Regenerate Inventory Planning and hit Process. This refreshes all your data so you're working with real-time information about what needs to be ordered. Next, open the inventory planning display. Here's where things get interesting. You'll see everything that needs attention: items to purchase, manufacture, transfer, assemble, or requisition. You can filter this list by vendor ID, related document, or type. Everything's organized and easy to navigate. Select your item and click Requisition at the top. In the new requisition document, we can add a quick description and click Save. Over on the inventory summary page, we've added 3 new columns for tracking: requisition prepared, pending bidding, and pending purchase order. Your item's quantity now appears under requisition prepared, tracking your workflow for the entire team to follow. Back on the requisition document, we can add vendors under the bidding tab. You can add individual vendors or use a vendor service to bring in an entire bidding group at once. Just click Add Default Vendors, and your pre-selected group populates automatically. Remove the hold, and your status updates to pending bidding. Refresh the inventory summary and watch the quantity move to the pending bidding column. Ready to reach out to vendors? Click Send Request for Proposal to email them directly from the system. Once bids come in, view them all in bidding results. You can compare offers, even split orders between multiple vendors if needed. When you've made your decision, click Complete Bid to wrap it all up. The moment you complete the bid, the quantity shifts to the pending purchase order column, leaving one final step. Return to the requisitions page and create your purchase orders. That's it. You've gone from planning to procurement quickly and easily. MRP and DRP Requisitions transforms how you manage vendor bidding. Faster requisitions, better visibility, smarter restocking. Want to see it in action? Visit us at erp@marketplace.com.